Before you buy your next phone, you might want to see this. The OnePlus 14 Pro could be OnePlus's biggest comeback yet. Alright, let's talk about the OnePlus 14 Pro, one of the most anticipated Android phones expected to launch next year. If the leaks are accurate, this phone is clearly aimed at competing with Samsung's Ultra series and Apple's Pro models. Starting with the design, OnePlus is expected to keep its premium glass and metal build, slim bezels, and full IP68 water and dust resistance, which US users expect at this price point. The display is rumored to be a large 2K LTPO AMOLED panel with a 120Hz adaptive refresh rate. Translation: super smooth scrolling, better battery efficiency, and an excellent experience for streaming, gaming, and everyday use. Performance should be top tier. The OnePlus 14 Pro is expected to run on Qualcomm's next-gen Snapdragon flagship processor, paired with up to 16 GB of RAM and fast storage. This means faster app launches, better gaming performance, improved on-device AI features. Basically, this phone should handle anything you throw at it. Now let's talk cameras, because this is where OnePlus is really trying to step up. Leaks suggest a triple camera setup, including a high-resolution main sensor, an ultra-wide lens, and a periscope telephoto lens for real optical zoom. We're also expecting continued Hasselblad color tuning, which should mean more natural skin tones and better low-light photos, something OnePlus fans have been asking for. Battery life is another major focus. The OnePlus 14 Pro is expected to feature a large battery with ultra-fast wired charging, something OnePlus still does better than most US competitors. And yes, wireless charging is expected to be included as well. On the software side, the phone should launch with the latest version of OxygenOS, based on Android. That means clean UI, smooth animations, useful customization, and long-term software support. It's one of the main reasons people choose OnePlus over other Android brands. As for pricing, expect the OnePlus 14 Pro to land below Samsung and Apple, but still firmly in flagship territory, likely starting around $899 to $999 in the US. A launch is expected early next year, though OnePlus hasn't confirmed anything yet. If OnePlus delivers on these leaks, the OnePlus 14 Pro could be one of the best Android phones for US buyers who want flagship performance without paying ultra-level prices. So let me know, would you pick the OnePlus 14 Pro over an iPhone or Galaxy? Drop a comment and follow for more phone leaks and updates.